Here we have this question, and the question states the following. Convert the following to the units indicated. So we have 6,075 meters, and our goal is to convert this into kilometers. In order to do this, we're going to use a useful acronym, and the acronym states the following. Knock him down, minister. Don't commit murder. And so the K here stands for kilometers, and the M here stands for meters, and this M here stands for millimeters, and this C stands for centimeters. But we want to focus on meters and kilometers. So we have to move from meters to kilometers. And so we're going to move 1, 2, 3. So that means that we move 3 times. And so we're going to take 6,075, and then we're going to move our decimal point 3 times. And so we move 1, 2, 3. And so that means that what we have now is 6.075. And so that means that 6,075 meters is actually 6.075 kilometers. To show our working, we can actually divide it. So we have 6,075 divided by 1,000. And it's 3 zeros because we move 3 times. We move 3 times. And so that's why we have 3 zeros. And so we have 6,075 divided by 1,000. And that gives us 6.075. And so that means that our answer here is 6.075. So 6,075 meters is actually 6.075 kilometers. Next, our goal is to convert 800 milligrams into grams. That's our goal. In order to do this, we're going to use this useful acronym, and the acronym states the following. Knock him down, Grammy. Don't commit murder. Now the G is for grams, the K is for kilograms, and the M is for milligrams. But we want to focus on grams, and we want to focus on milligrams. We have to move from milligrams to grams. And so what we have to do, we have to move over 3 times. So we move over 1, 2, 3. And so we have to take 800. So our decimal point is here, and we're going to move over 3 times. So we have 1, 2, 3. So that means that our decimal point is currently right here. And so we have 0.800. And so that means that 800 milligrams is going to be equal to 0.8 grams. If we want to show the operation, what we have here is 800 divided by 1,000. And the reason why we use 1,000 is because we move over 3 times. And so 800 divided by 1,000 is 0.800. And so that means that our answer to this question is 0.8. So 800 milligrams is going to be equal to 0.8 grams. We don't need these zeros at the back here. And so we just have 0.8. And so that means that 800 milligrams is actually 0.8 grams. Next, we have this question. It states that we have 4.675 meters. So we have 4.675 meters, and we want to convert it into millimeters. And so we have this acronym, knock him down, minister, don't commit murder. The K is for kilometers, the M is for meters, the C is for centimeters, and the M is for millimeters. And so we need to convert meters to millimeters. And so that means that we have to focus on this M and this M. And that means that we have to move over 3 times. And so there's going to be 1, 2, 3. And so we take 4.675 and we move the decimal point 3 times. And so it's 1, 2, 3. So the decimal point is currently right here. And so what we actually have is 4,675. And so 4.675 meters is actually 4,675 millimeters. And so we multiply. If we're showing our working, we multiply. So we have 4.675 multiplied by 1,000. And the reason why we multiply by 1,000 is because we move over 3 times. And so we have to use 1,000. We cannot use 10 or 100. we move over 3 times, so that accounts for the 3 zeros, all right, in the back of the 1. And so we have here is 4.675 multiplied by 1,000 is exactly 4,675. And so that means that 4.675 meters equals to 4,675 millimeters. And so this is our answer. And that's our answer to the question, 4,675.